You are getting the pure product, right? So you'll be doing one more PLC, right? So at that time you can spot your cinnamaldehyde and you already have some crude solution saved, right? So spot that on the middle and on the right, spot the final purified product. You will have 3 spots. So what happens in the purified spot if everything goes okay? So we should see only majorly one of this one spot. Something like that. So here is a true product and on the rightmost is your purified product. So there should be only one spot seen. Because we are crystallizing that and then getting rid of the other isomers and trifenphosphine oxide. So that will be going into the aqueous ethanol and your pure product crystallized out as solid. So if everything goes okay, that should be a single spot. So in the proton you have to look for your signals for the EE isomer, right? You can see the differentiation between EE and EZ. The explanation is given in the handout. So let's say we got the proton NMR and then so we have some peaks like splitting of 2 that you can say as doublet, right? So the difference between the 2 splitting, you can measure that in the form of, or you can measure in hertz. That's represented by Hg. Hertz, okay? So the value between these two splitting, so that is specific for E and Z isomers. So for E, isomer you have 2 protons, right? So they will have that value. It's also called J value or coupling constant because they couple each other. So that's called J value. Okay. So make sure you have to explain that or say in your lab reports. So J value. So for E isomer. So for E isomer, you will be seeing 11 to 18 hertz, and for Z isomer, you will be seeing 5 to 10 hertz. So the difference between 2 splitting, you can see the difference. Alright, so in the procedure in the starting it says to take 1 millimole of the cinnamaldehyde. So it comes to about 0.132 grams. cinnamaldehyde, it's a liquid, right? So you can measure 0.1 to 6 mils. But the syringe that you have, the tiny syringe, maybe you can measure 0.13. So just take 0.13 of the cinnamaldehyde. So that's the closest you can measure, or maybe 0.12 to between 0.12 and 0.13. Alright, that's it. And if you have questions, ask any of the TAs. You have a question?
Not right now. Sorry. I have I'll ask you in a second. Oh, you can go. That's my iPad. That's the keyboard.
Oh,
yeah.
Keyboard?
Yeah.
Wow. That's your iPad?
Mhm.
Oh, that's good. Oh, it's like a dock desk stand. You put it there.
I'm able to type. Flash. I have Flash too.
What is Flash?
Like if you go to a website and it needs like the Adobe to show videos and stuff.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it doesn't come with the iPad. You have to buy an app.
Okay. It's like downloading books and all those things. No, that's good. Can you share initials?
TEW.
Okay. Scroll.
Do we have to talk about how you put it in the thing?
Which one? This one?
In the lab report?
No.
Okay.
No need of that.
The state that we just had our sample.
Yeah, how your spectra is and all those you can discuss, but this one is not necessary. No.
Noise.
What is that?
Which is
This one? This one is like signal stabilizing.
okay.
So it's not.
Well, I get to go eat after this.
You're going on this commons?
Yeah.
Blazer bucks you have?
No.
No? You have to pay?
Yeah.
You finished all the $9 whatever?
I'm a senior. I didn't do the $9.
Oh, okay. So only who has to do that?
And I opt out of it. Yeah, freshmen have to.
And junior, senior, everybody?
I don't think that. Yeah, they can opt out.
Okay. All right.
Why are you gonna pay for my lunch?
And I'm just checking. Like
okay.
usually you have $9 and all those things, right?
Yeah, and yeah. I just gotta find a student who has to get rid of them.
Mm-hmm.
See? And you said it's supposed to be between 5 and 10 and 11 and 15, correct?
5 to 10 for Z.
Uh-huh.
And 11 to 18 for E.
E.
Yeah.
Look good?
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
All right.
And you said something about average?
Yes, I need your printout. You can rinse this with acetone, and the liquid should go to the waste, solvent waste.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So this is all your peaks. That's phenyl peaks. These two peaks are the protons on the double bonds, right? And these two peaks I give the expansion. So see, if you see these two like splitting, right? Okay. So those two numbers. These are already in Hertz values. You just have to subtract them. But the thing is, here you have a minor splitting here. So take average of this and take average of that, right? Average, and then those numbers, just do the subtraction. Just a difference. The difference between those two.
Take these two numbers, add
average, and difference between those two averages will be your J value.
Okay.
The same thing with this. Average, and then difference.
Okay.
Okay? So that will be your J values. Oh, you are the next?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.